comes to owning a home, what are those features that are very important to you as a home buyer or an investor? What are these things that you look out for in a home? Whether it is your very first home that you're buying or you're buying the new home, tell me, what's the very thing or those things that are very important to you as a homeowner? Let's list some of these things. The location, is it secured? How close is it to local markets, shopping malls? How close is it to recreational centers? I mean, fun places. How close is it to good schools? How easily is it accessible to medical facilities? This also, we can ask, is the road network to this place, is it accessible? This, among others, I bet, is the question that you ask, or is the things that you put into consideration before considering buying a home, maybe your new home or your next home. Hello. So yes, either good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Yes, my name remains Goodness Usman, and of course, I am your Fab Lady Realtor from Nigeria 24/7. So yes, earlier I was talking about how the key things that are important to investors out there or to you when you're buying a new home. What are those boxes that needs to be checked or ticked for you before you decide to take a move on purchasing that next home? Now, speaking about all of these things, when they check the box, I am sure that you will make a move on that home. For me, where I am right now, this estate I'm about to talk about ticks all of these boxes. Not only, but it also comes with these smart home features, which is one of the most interesting things right now. Because why is it one of the most interesting things right now? It's because we are in an era where technology is the in thing. I mean, technology is right now driving the world. So hey, it wouldn't be bad owning a home with smart features, right? Alright, so let's talk about Paragon Terraces, which is located in Okun Ajah. Ladies and gentlemen, this property is fast selling out with different kind of options. You have terraces, you have semi-detached, you have very few number of fully detached houses. All of them come with a big view. Trust me when I say that this Paragon Terraces, which is located in Meridian Boulevard, ticks all of these boxes. Talking about medical access to medical facility, we have several good specialist hospitals. We have government hospitals, both primary health care and mother and child. We have fantastic schools around here. Numerous fun places. Let's talk about the fun places. I've shown you guys over and over. We have loads of beaches lined up behind this estate. So you can decide to take a walk to the beach and just, you know, rejuvenate, have fun, you know, with your family and friends, and then come back home. So hey, even if you're not buying this house, for the sake of you living here, trust me, it will be one of the most sought after when it comes to earning rental income. Yes, I tell you, now people who rent houses in Ajah, in Shogotedo, are very peculiar in the kind of places they want to live in. We all want to live in an estate that is fully secured, that has so many facilities in it. Now, that brings me to talk about the facilities. Let's talk about the facilities in this estate in a minute. Facilities just such as a gym house, a lounge, yes, a private lounge for the estate only. We have a swimming pool, and of course, we are going to have green areas, play areas for kids and adults. The truth is, this welcome center gives you the privacy to really entertain your guests here. You don't really have to have all your guests come into your house. Your visitors can wait for you in the welcome center, which is where I am currently. Now, tell me, do you not want to live or own a property in Meridian Boulevard, Paragon Terraces? Really? You do not want to own one out? You don't want to own a home here? Why would you not want to own a home here? That's the question that's been in my mind. Let me tell you something about the location quickly before we go further. Ajah is now becoming as expensive as Lekki Phase 1. I kid you guys know. Yes, when I tell you that Ajah is gradually getting to that range of Lekki Phase 1, it is true. Let's talk about how much rental incomes are quickly. If you want to rent a 3-bedroom, semi-detached house right now with a BQ in Ajah, depending on the estate, depending on the infrastructure that is available in that estate, trust me, you will not get anything less than 4 to 5 million naira. And that is the minimal ranges you are getting. So it means that in an estate like Paragon, you're going to pay more. You're probably paying like 6 million naira to rent a 3-bedroom semi-detached with our BQ. Now let's look at Lekki Phase 1. Let's look at Ikate. Let's look at Oniru. That's about the ranges right now. You will still get a good semi-detached, a good terrace in Lekki 1 for 6-7 million naira. In VGC, that's the range. So Ajah is now highly sorted after, like I said earlier. So yes, this among so many other parameters are reason why you should consider owning a home right here in Paragon Terraces. And also, if you don't want to do that, you don't want to buy a house, it's okay. You can still buy a land. There are plots of land for sale here. 300 square meter is available at 5 million naira, and then 500 square meter at 40 million naira. This gives you the option of building what you want to your own taste, determining the structure, determining the foundation solidification, determine the kind of materials you're using, the kind of tiles you could be using. You get the option to pick everything from grassroots to finish. Or if you don't want to do the artisan wahala, you don't want to deal with artisans at home, you can buy these houses that are currently on building. Let me show you guys what is happening on site right now. Let's go see what's happening on site from the last time I was here. Let's go. That the level of work in this estate has not stopped since the day they started the commissioning, and this gives me and so many clients who have invested here joy. Yes, it brings joy to our heart. Let me tell you something. Apart from the fact that Landmark is building and selling houses here, we have private individuals who have shown you guys before who are already building their land. I mean, they're building their houses because they've been allocated a while ago. So yes, this brings me to say to you that when you buy this land, you will be given instant allocation as much as you are done paying for your land and your documentation. And then you can swiftly move to site and start building. Again, you have the option of 300 square meter and also 500 square meter. I have shown you guys countless times what you really can build with a 300 square meter. You will build a 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex on your 300 square meter and still have your parking space. So yes, you can do the 300 square meter or you do the 500 square meter. What do you need? Just deposit 3 million naira and spread your payment across 1 year, and of course you still have 18 months plan. Now let's talk about the payment plan on the house type. You have up to 24 months. Oh my God, check around this place. How many people really gives this kind of payment plan? Another thing that I have for you guys is that very soon, before the end of this year, we have people who will move into their homes. Trust me when I say to you that work has not stopped ever since they started. You can see for yourself, right? I don't need to say too much to you. So hey, which is it going to be? Are you buying a land or you're buying a house? Right here in Paragon Estate. I need you to make up your mind now, because the price, of course, for the houses have increased from the last time where I was here. Yes, I informed you guys that we're going to increase the price from 1st of May, which, of course, ladies and gentlemen, has just been done. So the current prices of the houses and the house types is scoring on the screen. So whichever one you want to do, you want to buy the house, like the terraces that we have here, the semi-detached or the fully detached, whichever one works for you, or you want to buy the land, how about you just stop watching this video now and give me a call. Let me help you reserve your plot here or your house unit. Trust me, this is going to be one of the best estates around here in Ajah. And when I tell you that, it's because I know so. I mean, look at the infrastructure that has been provided already. So it means that these guys, they are not joking. They mean business. And you need to catch on this train. This is a moving train that you need to be part of right now. I want to just quickly say congratulations to everyone who bought into this estate already, whether you bought a land or you bought yourself a beautiful home. I hope you already love what is happening in the estate. So hey, how about you do this? Tell your friends, share this with your friend. Oh, my friend, see what I bought myself a good home. Look at what I bought for myself. How about you buy yourself that again? Do me that favor. Do them that favor. Share with them this good news, this good investment opportunity. Don't keep it to yourself. Don't be selfish now, okay? Yes, do not be selfish. Share it with your friends and your family, and they will thank you later. You will thank me also later, because you'll be doing them a massive favor. Thank you so much. I will be waiting for your call on this particular estate to help you, or any other one to help you reserve your plot or unit. Once again, my name remains Goodness Usman. Of course, I am your Fab Lady Realtor for Niger Realty 24/7. So until you give me a call or send me a WhatsApp message, do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button. Until then, right now, I really have to go. So I said to you, oh, double.